Hi, my name is Sergio Chavez and I am studying mechanical engineering at CETIS Universidad. Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create a TED mesh using the Auto TED mesh. See the effect of two TED mesh parameters on the measure by remeshing and changing the value of the parameters. This is the representation of the final piece. First of all, we are going to open an existing database, Encure. Then we are going to mesh the solid. Go to the Meshing tab and select Object as Mesh and type a solid. Select the solid, select Element Shape as TED, Measure as TED Mesh, and Topology as TED10. Use the default values for TED Mesh parameters. Enter 20 for value of the global edge length and apply it. Now we are going to verify the boundaries. Select Verify as Action, Element for Object and Boundaries for Test. Then select Free Phrases for Display Type and apply it. In this step, we are going to determine element quality using all test. Select TED for object and all for test and apply it. Now we are going to create a color fringe plot for the TED element aspect ratio. Select aspect for test and change aspect ratio to a value near 5 and apply it. To use new values to remesh the solid. To improve the mesh, set action as create, object as mesh, and type as solid. Then click at test mesh parameters and modify the maximum HL, type in 0.05. Enter 0.1 for global edge length multiplier and click OK. Select the solid one for input list. Enter 20 for value and click Apply. And click Yes for delete the existing mesh on solid 1. This is the new mesh and we can see the new values for the test. Now you can see the difference between the original mesh and the remesh.